Great leadership isn't just about setting direction. It's about guiding people toward their best work. In this module, you'll learn how to set clear expectations, deliver meaningful feedback, and coach your team with confidence. We'll start by building a strong foundation, and that's how to communicate performance standards and provide feedback that inspires improvement and not fear. Then we'll explore how to handle performance challenges with fairness and structure using performance improvement plans. Finally, we'll dive into the art of coaching so you can motivate, develop, and retain top talent. This module is your blueprint for helping people grow while strengthening your team's performance and morale along the way. Let's get started and lead with intention. Before exploring how to set clear expectations, let's first understand why this practice is a cornerstone of effective management. Picture this, a team trying to hit a target in total darkness. Without clarity, it's impossible to aim or achieve meaningful results. As a manager, your responsibility is to shine the light on that target, ensuring everyone knows exactly what's expected of them. Setting clear performance expectations benefits your team in several powerful ways. It provides direction. Goals act as a compass aligning individual and team efforts with the overarching objectives of your organization. Clear expectations ensure everyone is working towards a common purpose. It boosts accountability. When expectations are explicit, team members can take ownership of their responsibilities. They know what they need to achieve and are aware of how their contributions impact the team, fostering a sense of accountability. It also reduces stress. Ambiguity breeds anxiety. When roles and goals are clearly defined, your team can focus on delivering their best work without second-guessing their priorities or actions. Then it improves communication. Open communication flourishes when everyone has a shared understanding of success. It encourages team members to discuss progress, ask for support, and provide updates without hesitation. Then it enables better feedback. You can't offer meaningful feedback if the criteria for success are undefined. Clear expectations serve as a benchmark for evaluating performance and guiding constructive conversations. Setting SMART goals. The best way to ensure clarity is by leveraging the SMART framework for setting goals that you have learned already. We have already looked at this framework, and this is a good time to put it to work. By using it, you will enable yourself to have a systematic approach to your performance improvement strategies. This will help you to deliver a clear and easy to understand plan that any employee can comprehend and implement. It also helps to ease the pain of monitoring the progress of the employee. Communicating expectations clearly. Even well-defined goals lose their impact without effective communication. Here are practical strategies to ensure your team understands expectations. Have a conversation. Performance expectations should be explained in a two-way discussion. This ensures understanding and allows the team member to ask clarifying questions. Encourage questions. Foster an open environment where team members feel comfortable seeking clarity. This reduces misunderstandings and builds trust. Then be consistent. Ensure fairness by communicating expectations uniformly across the team. Consistency builds equity and avoid morale issues. Document your expectations. After discussions, follow up with a written summary. This reinforces understanding and provides a reference point for both parties. Providing effective feedback. Feedback is essential for guiding performance and fostering growth. It comes in two key forms. Positive feedback. Positive reinforcement acknowledges achievements and motivates continued excellence. For example, be specific. Instead of vague praise like, "Good job," say, "I appreciate you handled the client issue with patience and attention to detail. It ensured the problem was resolved efficiently." Then be timely. Offer the praise soon after the achievement for maximum impact. Tie it to impact. Highlight the broader value of their contribution, such as your excellent client management retained a key account critical to our revenue goals. Then you get constructive feedback. Constructive feedback identifies areas for improvement and provides actionable solutions. For instance, be specific. Instead of "you need better communication," say your recent updates lacked key project details. Let's work on making them more comprehensive. Then be supportive. Position feedback as an opportunity for growth. In other words, I know you've had a heavy workload. Let's discuss strategies to improve time management. Then it's important to focus on behavior, not personality. Avoid personal judgments. For example, say, let's refine your approach to meeting deadlines, rather than "you're always late." Types of feedback: formal and informal. Feedback can be delivered in different settings. Informal feedback, given in everyday interaction such as a quick acknowledgement after a task or casual suggestion during a meeting. Then you get formal feedback. This is delivered during structured sessions like performance reviews or one-on-one meetings, providing an in-depth discussion of achievements and areas for improvement. Both types are vital. Informal feedback maintains day-to-day alignment, while formal feedback facilitates long-term growth. Handling feedback conversations. Giving feedback, especially constructive, can be challenging. Here's how to navigate these conversations effectively. Prepare in advance. Outline key points and examples to ensure clarity and relevance. Use the sandwich method. Start with positive feedback, deliver constructive insights, and end on a positive note. This approach fosters support and motivation. Be an active listener. Encourage team members to share their perspectives. Actively listening creates a collaborative dialogue and fosters trust. By combining clear expectations with regular feedback, you empower your team to achieve their best while fostering an environment of transparency and growth.